Hey everybody, and welcome back to Beauty's World. If you haven't been to my channel before, I love doing hair reviews, makeup tutorials, hauls, all that good stuff. This video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hair looking so beautiful, and this is a closure and 4 to 5 bundles I think of this curly beautiful hair. So if you want to see this video, please make sure you stay tuned, but before we get into it, make sure you do click that like button. That helps me gauge what you guys are really liking. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel, click that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, and let's go ahead and dive right in. So today we have hair from Ali Annabelle, and I've reviewed their hair plenty of times. They have really good, beautiful hair. Here is the bundles. This is a nice like deep wave, I forgot what kind of texture that is. I will leave all the information in the bottom bar below. And I did get a closure this time. I think I'm going to do a lot of closures coming up because it's just so much easier to deal with. I don't have to put down the whole hairline whenever I'm wearing the wig. It's just easier. So here's what it looks like after I've bleached, plucked the knots, and made my whole unit. And she's still looking really pretty, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part because whenever I'm using a closure, I usually go for a middle part. And I can just shift the wig if I want to do a side part. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to spray some Got2b glue spray, and I'm going to use my hot comb to flatten down that area. So now that I'm done with that part, I did have the hair coming towards the face because I want it to fall more towards my face area instead of like the side of my head. So I think that's going to be really pretty. So here is what the hair is looking like after we've done that. So right now I'm going to make the curls pop. So I want to go in with my little mixture that I mix with like water, leave-in conditioner, some curling activating stuff. And I'm going to just spray that all over the hair and run my fingers through it. Right after that, I like to go in with some holding spray or mousse. This is some kind of mousse that actually likes to, act as a spritz kind of, because when I use it, the hair stays a little bit crunchy, but not too crunchy. So everything's going to stay looking just like it looks right here. So that's what I have, and I'm going to just run my fingers through it, just like so. I'm going to go in now and add a few layers to the front of the head, just to frame around my face area. And I think that looks so much better. What do you guys think? I always love to do layers. It just makes everything looks that much more, professionally done. So I'm seeing that the front doesn't look as curly as the back area. So I'm going to go in with this really tiny curling wand. And I'm going to try to mimic the curls on the head. And I'm just doing that front part right there on each side. So I'm taking little sections and I'm going to go ahead and curl it up. I left it on for about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how tight you want the curl. You leave it in longer or, shorter. And it's already looking so beautiful. So right after you've done that, you want to go ahead and set it with some Got2b glue spray. I use that ish on everything. I really use that Got2b glue spray on everything dealing with hair. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just showing you guys right now how much better it looks doing that. And I'm just going to go even further and split those curls in half so it can look even more fuller. And then I'm going to show you guys side by side results. So that looks so much better, you guys. I wanted to show you that hack because sometimes curly hair with the frontal, it can be a little bit different from the bundle. So you want to just bring it back to life just like that, and everything just flows beautifully and the hair just looks so, professionally done, and just, everything just flows so good. Look at those curls. It looks so nice. I love this curl pattern. I'm so into curly hair during this fall and winter time. I don't know, it's just giving me everything that I need for my life. I'm loving this. So I think I'm done manipulating the hair. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my head. And I'm not even going to put it down with Got2b glue or anything. I'm just going to sit it on my head just like that. And everything is fitting so perfectly. I will go back in later on and add some combs to like the back of the head and the sides maybe a little bit to give it even more of, you know, a tighter fit, a more secure fit, but everything is fitting very nicely and I didn't have to put anything on to hold it down. Now my little, what is this cap? The wig cap is definitely lighter than my skin tone, so you can see it through the part, but all you have to do to fix that is add a little bit of concealer. I don't think I did it in this video, but please make sure you do that so that everything can flow nicely and more natural. But oh my goodness, you guys, this hair, beautiful, beautiful. But I always know that Ali Annabelle has like the best type of hair. Look how nice this looks. I've had this type of texture in many different companies, but it never looks so healthy and full like this hair does. This is going to be one of my go-to hair, for real. I'm so feeling it. So I wanted to show you guys how the back looks. Like I said, using that mousse, everything still looks nice and wet and shiny and beautiful. The curls are still popping just like it was when I did it the first time. And this is like a couple of days later that I did, you know, put it on my head. And it still looks really, really good. Yeah, y'all see I'm really, really feeling it. So I'm just showing you guys up close again how the curls look. It does really go with the rest of the hair, so you can't tell that I curled that front part. Yes, yes. I love a good hackety hack. And the ends are still really beautiful and healthy, no split ends. So what do you guys think about this hair? Leave it in the comment section below. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the Slatro.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So thanks for sticking around, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you do give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't do that yet, and click the bell so you can actually get notified. Make sure you check out my latest videos here, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.